Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FMCpay token. Ticker symbol is FMC. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting October 30th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, FMC is the native token of the FMCpay exchange, aiming to simplify payment processes and enable efficient co-payment of transaction fees and travel expenses. FMCpay exchange is a cryptocurrency and electronic stock exchange owned by Fimark Corporation and registered for a financial business license in the US. They build scalable, secure, blockchain-enabled solutions that supercharge users' experience using digital assets. Now, this token is on the Tron blockchain. They've had 69,112 transactions so far. Now, the full name of this project here is Fimarkcoin, and their webpage is Fmcpay.com. So they call this the Fimarkcoin on their Tron scan there. If you're looking for it, ticker symbol FMC. So this token here, it says they have a fixed total supply here. Well, it's not fixed, I guess. It looks like a weird number here. That is 128,318,618,918 FMC tokens. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing October 30th, 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search FMC, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have their webpage here that has utilities, roadmap, partners, platform, all sorts of information on here. It says they have over 2,000 holders. $1.4 million plus trading volume. They're available in 50 countries, over 50 countries, and over 100,000 transactions completed. The Fimarkcoin, a cryptocurrency in every wallet. So FMC is the native token of the FMCpay exchange, aiming to simplify payment processes and enable efficient co-payment of transaction fees and travel expenses. It offers a streamlined approach to co-payment, reducing friction and enhancing the payment experience. FMC also serves as a versatile means of payment for travel-related services such as airline tickets and hotel bookings. Overall, FMC facilitates a high-performance payment business environment, making transactions and travel payments more accessible and user-friendly. So they have the FMCpay cryptocurrency exchange, trade anytime, anywhere. So it's an electronic stock exchange owned by Fimark Corporation and registered for a financial business license in the US. We build scalable, secure, blockchain-enabled solutions that supercharge user experience using digital assets. And you can download it off their webpage, Fimarkcoin.com, from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And it says you can travel easy with Fimarkcoin and Heyo Trip. So Fimarkcoin is proud to be the pioneer token for accommodating payment solutions. Now you can pay for your hotel bookings and flight tickets with FMC on Heyo Trip. Online transactions are securely made with many other options such as credit cards or banking. They have a project roadmap on here. They started all the way back in 2021 with the launch of the FMC Pay exchange, and then launch Fmcpay iOS and Android application. Then the KYC system test launch, FMC airdrop campaign, KYC launch margin trading, and then add new trading pairs, upgrade the trading and deposit withdrawal system, list FMC on central exchanges, upgrade staking mechanism, listing on CoinGecko, P2P transactions, add more trading pairs, and new token listing, tokenized stocks trading, launch online payment processor for FMC Pay system. Then we have the FMC Pay payment ecosystem, P2P transactions, token swap. And then in 2025, they're going to come out with their own NFT marketplace, pool farming, and integration of more services. So within the ecosystem here, they have modern infrastructure, so leverage cutting-edge blockchain technology to streamline payment services and reduce costs. Superior customer experience, so improve loyalty for your business by offering the best-in-market payments experience to your customers. They have unique liquidity solutions, so eliminate pre-funding and free working capital with on-demand liquidity. Simplified network partnering, expand your network and reach key corridors easily by connecting and transacting with premier receivers in the key markets. The financial network of the future, easily run high-performance global payment businesses. And simplified network partnering. So expand your network and reach key corridors easily by connecting and transacting with premier receivers in the key markets. Now they're partners with Heyo Trip, CoinCap News, CoinSpeaker, GemLab, CMoon, Painit Coin, MMG, and more. Now at the bottom of their page, they have their social links, contact information, more info, careers, all sorts of things. So check it all out, Fimarkcoin.com. And you can find this token newly listed as of October 30th, 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.